Unlimited Pro Stock Tractors. Bounced a little bit down there. You want to get that front end up. Okay, the green flag is flying for Corey Frank. You shouldn't do that to an old man. Really. I thought that was it, Elizabeth. Right in front of us. What the hell? Wow. $199,210 for Corey Frank. The track is open. The green flag is flying for Todd Schneider. That right-hand tire is getting more of a grip. I don't know. Looks like she might have jumped out of gear there, right? Right about the 250. You know what, from my novice point of view, when Rick came out of that hole there, it looked like the tires never got into the dirt very good. Keep your eyes focused on that KO Marketing Leader flag. He's got to get past that. He came off and went off the left-hand side there, got close to that line. Went to the left, back to the right. Solid driving job for Gary Gallimore out of Bellefontaine. Well, he's right down there in the same position, isn't he? That's twice tonight, right here in front of here. That happens again, I'm going to be back here in this porta potty on about the second row. And that happens again up here, I'll tell you what. I thought we were going down for sure. 936 is the lead. Boy, he had the horsepower coming right out of the hole there, really spinning the tires. It was a real bit of a concern. I thought he won't get them tires into the track good enough, but in the end, made a good solid effort and takes the lead. We have a new winner. Put your hands together for Noah Kerr, Greenwood, John Deere. All right. I think we're ready to go, right? Yeah, some issues tonight.